Yeah, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kiki Puspa Pristawan. You can call me Kiki. I'm from Marine Mechanical Engineering Department 60 batch. Here I will present about two-stroke diesel engine. First, suction and compression. The piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. The exhaust port is closed and air in the cylinder is compressed. Just before reaching the top, new air enters through the intake port. The air becomes very hot due to the high compression. Second, power and exhaust. When the piston is at the top, fuel is injected and immediately ignites. The piston pushed down. This is power stroke. Piston move down and exhaust port is open. And exhaust port is open and combustion gas escape. Fresh air enter again to push out remaining gas and cycle repeat again. Thank you for watching and listening. See you.
Okay, so yeah, please put the picture in here. I have a question for you. Some of your fans said that the two-stroke has benefit. What is the benefit in your opinion?
Benefit two-stroke and four-stroke.
For two-stroke. This is two-stroke, brother.
Powerful
Mm-hmm.
and speed.
Mm-hmm. What speed?
Speed. Powerful, and
And what about the speed? The speed is
speed
this is low, but the speed is
high.
yeah. Okay. So, what is the benefit of two-stroke diesel engine in your opinion? Is the machine is powerful engine
and speed high.
Yeah, okay. So can you repeat? Powerful. The benefit.
The benefit two-stroke cycle. Powerful and
diesel engine.
And speed high.
Yeah, the speed is high.
Speed is high.
Okay. So in your opinion, why the company choose two-stroke diesel engine then four-stroke diesel engine?
Company.
Why the company choose two-stroke diesel engine on the ship then four-stroke diesel engine? Why? Because for example, like Suchi, they need two-stroke then four-stroke. Why? You already explained. Because you already explained. The benefit of two-stroke cycle is this. So the company choose two-stroke because I just want to repeat you. Yeah, you get my point, right? I asked you the question, why? What is the benefit of two-stroke diesel engine? You explain this and this. And then I asked you a question, why Suchi or maybe GLS they choose two-stroke? Because you just have to complete it with the previous answer. So because Okay, benefit of two-stroke is
powerful.
powerful. What powerful?
Two-stroke.
Oh, okay. So the benefit of two-stroke diesel engine is the engine is powerful and the speed is high. So why Suchi and GLS, for example, they choose two-stroke diesel engine? Because
Powerful and
what powerful?
machine.
Powerful of
Machine.
engine and
Power engine
and
and speed high.
yeah, and the speed is high. So I just want to you understand about the benefit and why they choose two-stroke, because of, yeah, I just want you to just repeat like this, just complete it, not like why, yeah, just because of this is the benefit. What is the weakness? The benefit is the engine is very powerful, the speed is so big and so high. What is the unbenefit?
Fuel
Yeah.
fuel diesel man.
Why? Fuel diesel. Why?
Non-effective.
Yeah. The use
The use
of
non-effective.
hey, the use
The use of fuel oil
is
is non-effective.
yeah, it's not
Not-
it's non-efficient.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You got my point?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the benefit? Repeat.
Benefit power diesel power is strong and high and speed high.
Yes. Unbenefit is
And benefit is fuel oil
is not.
is not efficient.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.